morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y19s and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select System, select Backup and Restore and click on Backup Data under Google. So here you can mark all info that you wish to backup. In my case it's everything, photos and videos along with other device data. Then mark Confirm and click on Manage Backup if you want to customize it anyhow. But basically that's it. From now on your device backs up data automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charged in for 2 hours. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.